DreamSky. This is a very good alarm clock. You have radio, volume for the radio on the left side, volume down, dimmer up for good night's sleep. To set alarm, turn FM off. Press down set alarm. Hour blinks. "17". Press alarm set again. 47. Press alarm set. Alarm set. Reason: time, current time is 17:45. Set time 17:46. Turn alarm off. Press this button. Alarm off. 12-hour time. 24-hour time. 12-hour time. Alarm set time 6:30 a.m. Change 6:30 a.m. I'm going to change that to 5:48. Let's say, now what is my alarm? Okay, it's a good clock. Radio, snooze, 15, 10, off. 120 snooze, 90-minute snooze, 60-minute snooze, 45-minute snooze, 30-minute snooze, 15-minute snooze, 10-minute snooze. Thank you.